Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to explain and practically demonstrate one of the latest features that got introduced as part of Selenium 4 initiative, that is installing and uninstalling the extensions, that is browser add-ons in Firefox browser. So let's get started. First of all, I'll open this Eclipse IDE where we have a sample project which is already created and configured with Selenium 4. Now inside this main method, I will write some Selenium automation code only for the Firefox browser. The reason behind that is this installing and uninstalling of these extensions and add-ons is only supported by Selenium 4 for the Firefox browser. You cannot install and uninstall the extensions or add-ons for other browsers except Firefox browser. That's the reason I have to write here the automation code for Firefox browser. So I'll start writing WebDriver manager dot Firefox driver dot setup. Then here I'll say Firefox driver is equal to new Firefox driver. I need to create an object for the Firefox driver class of Selenium library. Import this Firefox driver class from Selenium library and say I'll maximize the browser window driver.manage.window.maximize. Now I want to install one extension in this Firefox browser using this Selenium automation script. Here I want to install the extension. Which extension? I'll show you the extension that I want to install in the Firefox browser using this automation script. So for that guys, I will take you to that extension page. I'll open this browser and I'll search for Selenium IDE. In the search results, you'll get this official website of Selenium followed by Selenium IDE page. Click on that. And here, just click on the Firefox download option. It will not download, but it will take you to the Firefox browser add-ons page for the Selenium IDE. Okay. Now, here you see a button, add to Firefox button. So I need to first save this Selenium IDE extension into my machine. Okay. In order for my automation script to install this particular extension, Selenium IDE extension in the Firefox browser during automation, during running the script, what I have to do before is I have to first save this extension into my machine. Selenium IDE extension, I need to save into my machine. For that, what is the process? You have to right click on this add to Firefox button and there is an option like save link as. Select that option. Will give this dialog. So here in the downloads folder, in the download section of your machine, this extension xp install this is extension type. Okay, this extension is getting, that is add-on or browser extension is getting saved into your machine. This is the first step guys. So now close this, there's no need of that. Now come back to the Eclipse IDE. Here I have to say paths dot, okay, paths dot get command. Okay, here I need to provide the path of that extension. I need to provide the path of that extension. So for that, I'll go to the downloads location in my machine where that particular extension has been saved just now. I'll right click on this extension. This is extension, right? This is extension that got downloaded. Right click, select properties. Here, where is the path? This is the path, right? This is the path. Copy this path and in your Eclipse IDE, paste it inside the double quotes. Path.get, paste it. Say double slash, then give the name and extension. Okay, .xpi is the extension. So remaining thing is the name. This is the name and this is the extension. Give that path guys, and this get will return you some path. Okay, so I'll say path is equal to over the mouse and say create local variable. You'll get the path. Now what we have to do next is I have to say after setting this path, I have to say driver dot install. Okay, install. You have to provide the path guys. Okay, so this install extension will be only available for the Firefox driver. Okay, if you're creating an object for the Firefox driver, like Firefox driver is called new Firefox driver, then only you will get this option guys. For the other browsers you will not get it. Okay, so that's the reason you have to create an object for the Firefox driver and select this option. What path? This path you have to give. Okay, this path you have to give. Sorry, double pasted. Fine. So this will install this particular extension, that is add-on in the Firefox browser during while you are running the automation script. Now similarly you can uninstall also. So what is the command? Again driver dot uninstall extension. But for the uninstall extension, you have to give the extension ID. But from where we can get the extension ID? When you have installed the extension, this install extension command method will return you some string. That is nothing but the extension ID guys. So here this when you are installing the extension, here you have to type string extension id is equal to, okay, that extension id you copy paste here. So that then it will be uninstalled also. After that, I want to close the browser. Okay, I want to close or quit the browser, whatever the command you want to give, you can give. But the script will be very fast, guys. Okay, it will open, it will install, it will uninstall, and it will close the browser. But I want to see what's happening. For the demonstration purpose, I will add some thread dot sleep here and there. Okay, after maximizing the browser window, I'll add some thread dot sleep. I'll give 5 seconds gap. Okay, just for demonstration purpose, guys, just to see that whether the extension is getting installed or not, I'm just giving this time. Ignore that exception. And so before installing, I'm giving 5 seconds break. The script will stop for 5 seconds, and you'll see the installation happening. When there is no extension, you'll the browser window will be like kind of when there is no extension. After the extension is installed, again thread dot sleep. We'll wait for 5 seconds so that you can see that extension got installed. Before installing, after installing, you gave 5 seconds. Then after uninstalling also, I'll give 5 seconds. Okay. Then I'll close the browser. Now run the script, guys. You will see everything happening. Right click, run as Java application. So observe carefully, guys. It will first open the Firefox browser, maximize the browser window. After that, it will wait for 5 seconds and then install. Okay, before installing, you can see that. Okay, there is no extension. You see here, there is no extension available at this moment. After 5 seconds, you will see an extension installed. The Selenium ID extension will be installed. You see, Selenium ID extension got installed just now. After 5 seconds, it will be uninstalled from the browser. You see, it got uninstalled again. Then after 5 seconds, it will close the browser. Fine, done. So guys, this is working perfectly fine. So just for demonstration, I'm adding this thread dot sleep statements, guys, here and there. So hope guys you understood how to install and uninstall the extension, that is browser add-ons in Firefox browser using Selenium 4. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.